Hello students, in last video we studied coordinates of points and betweenness. Now in this video we will study the practice set 1.1. Let us see here. Question first is find the distances with the help of given number line below. Here number line is given. First is distance BE. For finding the distance BE, we have to know the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point E. Therefore, write here coordinate of point B is, here coordinate of point B is 2 and coordinate of point E is 5. For finding the distance between any two points, we first write here coordinate of these points and then we subtract the minor number from the larger number. Here 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, we have to subtract 2 from 5. Therefore, distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, distance BE is equal to 3. Now, second example is distance JA. For finding the distance JA, write here coordinate of point J is, coordinate of point J is minus 2 and coordinate of point A is, 1. We know that 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, we have to subtract minus 2 from 1. Therefore, distance JA is equal to 1 minus of minus 2. Here minus minus become plus. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance JA is equal to 3. So, it is the way of finding the distance between any two points on a number line. It is second example. Now third example is distance PC. For finding the distance between points P and C, we have to write here coordinate of point P is minus 4 and coordinate of point C is 3. We know that 3 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, write here distance PC is equal to 3 minus of minus 4. Therefore, 3 minus minus becomes plus, 4 is equal to 7. Therefore, distance PC is equal to 7. Now, next fourth example is distance JH. For finding the distance between J and H, we have to write here coordinate of point J is minus 2 and coordinate of point H is minus 1. Here minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, write here minus 1 greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance JH is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus 1 minus minus becomes plus 2. Therefore, distance JH is equal to -1 plus 2 is 1. Fifth example is distance KO. For finding the distance between K and O, write here coordinate of point K is -3 and coordinate of point O is 0. We know that 0 is greater than -3, therefore distance KO is equal to 0 minus of -3. Therefore 0 plus 3, therefore distance KO is equal to 3.
Go.
Now question 2 is, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. Now first example, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Therefore, for finding the distance AB, we know that A is as x and B it is as y. Here value of A is 1 and value of B is 7. Therefore, for finding the distance AB, we know that 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 6. Second example, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -2. We know that here A, coordinate of A is 6 and coordinate of B is -2. Therefore, distance AB is equal to, here 6 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 6 minus of -2 is equal to 6 plus 2. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 8. Now third, x is equal to -4 and y is equal to -5. The value of A or coordinate of A is -4 and coordinate of B is -5. Therefore, distance AB, we know that -4 is greater than -5. Therefore, finding the distance AB, here -4 minus of -5 is equal to -4. Minus becomes plus. -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 1. Question 3 is, from the information given below, find which of the point is between other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. इथं 3 एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला दिलेले आणि 3 एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये कुठल्या दोन पॉइंट्सच्या दरम्यान एक पॉइंट आहे हे आपल्याला सांगायचे. Therefore, first example is distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. Always remember that when we write distance between any 2 points, these 2 points will be separated by commas. Now let us see the betweenness between point P, Q and R. Here distance PR is 7, distance PQ is 10 and distance QR is 3. When these 3 distances are given, we have to know which one is greater distance. Here distance PQ is greater distance. Distance PQ is 10 PR is 7 and QR is 3. Therefore, PQ distance is larger distance. Therefore, we write here distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. Now, write here these quantities. PQ is 10, PR is 7 and QR is 3. Here 10 is equal to 10. Both the sides are equal. Therefore, we say that the point distance PQ is 10. Therefore, we say that the point R is between the points P and Q. Now, second example. Distance RS is equal to 8. Distance ST is equal to 6. And distance RT is equal to 4. Here also larger or longer distance is 8. Therefore, due to the property of betweenness, we write here distance RS is equal to distance ST plus distance RT. Here distance RS is 8, distance ST is 6 plus distance RT is 4. Therefore, 8 is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Here 8 is equal to 10. 8 is not equal to 10. Therefore, we say that these 3 points are not collinear points. Points R, S and T are non-collinear. Now third example is distance AB is equal to 16, distance CA is equal to 9 and distance BC is equal to 7. Here greater distance is distance AB. Therefore, we write here distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC. Write the values of these distances. Distance AB is equal to 16 is equal to CA is 9 plus BC is 7. Therefore, 16 is equal to 9 plus 7 is 16. Here both the sides are equal sides. 16 is equal to 16. Therefore, we say that the points are. Therefore, we say that the points A, B and C are collinear. And which of the point is between another two? Then point distance AB is larger or longer distance. Therefore, point C is between the points A and B. Therefore, write here the point C is between the points A and B. Now fourth question is, on a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AB is equal to 10, distance CB is equal to 8, then find distance AB considering all possibilities. In this question, we have to find the distance AB in two conditions or two possibilities. Here first possibility is point C is between the points A and C. If we consider this possibility and draw a figure, point C is between A and C, it means here end points are A and C, A and B, and here point C is between the point A and B. We have distance AC is equal to 10. This distance is of 10 and distance CB is equal to 8. By this diagram, we say that distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance CB. We have distance AC is equal to 10. Therefore, write here 10 plus distance CB is equal to 8 is equal to 18. We get distance. Then, if we consider second possibility, point B is between the points A and C. Then if we draw a diagram, A and C are the end points and B is between these 2 points. We have distance AC is equal to 10 and distance CB is equal to 8. From this diagram, we say that if we say that distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. Here AC is of 10, AB we have to find it. Therefore, we write here distance AB as it is. Distance BC is of 8. For finding the distance AB, we write here distance AB is equal to, here 10 minus 8. Here plus 8 becomes minus 8. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 2. If we consider third possibility, point A is between B and C, it means that point B dash A dash C, if it is a betweenness, it cannot valid or it is not, we cannot find the distance AB in this possibility. Therefore, we get two answers of distance AB. If the point C is between A and B, then distance AB is between point A and C, then the distance AB is 2. Therefore, right here we answer distance AB is equal to either 18 or 2. Now next, sixth question is sketch proper figure and write the answer of following questions. First question is, if A dash B dash C, it means point B is between A and C and length AC is equal to 11, length BC is equal to 6.5 and then length AB is equal to how? For finding the length AB, first we have to draw a line. Here we have point B is between the point A and C. Therefore, right here end points are A and C. Here point B is between A and C. Therefore, denote here point B. Length AC is equal to 11. Therefore, it is 11. BC is of 6.5. Therefore, write here 6.5. We have to find this length AB. Therefore, by this figure, we say that length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC. We have AC is equal to 11 is equal to, we have to find AB, therefore write here as it is AB, and length BC is of 6.5. Now finding the length AB, write here AB, 11 minus 6.5, it means that now second example is if R dash S dash T and length ST is equal to 3.7, length RS is equal to 2.5, then find length RT. First we have to draw here a diagram. Length RT or a line RT and point S is between point R and T. Here we have this length ST is equal to 3.7. We write here distance length ST 3.7. Length RS is of 2.5. Here we denote as 2.5. For finding the length RT, we have length RT is equal to length RS plus length ST. Always remember that when we write length RT, then cannot do write here comma. When we write distance RT, then always remember that here write these 2 points are separated by the commas. कोणताही डिस्टन्स लिहित असताना आपल्याला कॉमा देणं दोन अंतराच्या दरम्यान, दोन पॉइंटच्या दरम्यान ते गरजेचं आहे. जेव्हा आपल्याला एखाद्या लाईनची लेंथ लिहायची असेल त्यावेळेस मात्र दोन पॉइंटच्या दरम्यान आपल्याला इथं कॉमा देता येत नाही. Therefore, we write here length RT is equal to length RS plus length ST. Here RT is of, we have to find length RT. Therefore, write here length RT. RS is of 2.5 and length ST is of 3.7. 2.5 plus 3.7 is of 6.2. Therefore, length RT is equal to 6.2. Now, third question is if x dash y dash z they and length xz is equal to 3 root 7, length xy is equal to root 7, then find length yz. First we have to draw a line and here end points are x and z. And middle point or between point is y. Here length xz is of 3 root 7 and xy is root 7. Xz is 3 root 7 and if here point y, then this distance xy or length xy is of root 7. We have to find this length xz is of 3 root 7. We have to find length yz. Therefore, write here length xz is equal to length xy plus length yz. we have the length xz is of 3 root 7. Length xy is of root 7 plus length yz as it is. For finding the length yz, we write here length yz is equal to 3 root 7 minus root 7. Therefore, the distance is, or length yz is 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7. 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7 is 2 root 7. Now next question, seventh question is, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? If we draw a 3 non-collinear points, and if we observe these 3 points, we say that the 3 non-collinear points, they form a triangle. Then where we write here the answer. Triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points.